Feeling tired all the time and in need of natural remedies? If so, please join us as we are going to introduce cozy ways to make a paleo-friendly, vegan, dairy-free, naturally sweetened turmeric golden milk recipe in just 10 minutes. With all its healing properties, this creamy latte-like drink guarantees your health. Stick around to the end. In today's video on parshealthhtv, we take comfort in the magical healing powers of this golden turmeric milk and cover everything you should know, including what it is, its health benefits, its taste, how to make it, when to make it, and more. So, if you are new to using turmeric in cooking and/or have never tried making turmeric milk, then this video is for you. More on the health benefits later. First, let's talk about what turmeric milk is and how to make it. What is golden milk? Golden milk is a traditional Ayurvedic drink made from turmeric root, or turmeric powder, milk, originally made from cow's milk, but it can also be made from plant-based kinds of milk such as almond and coconut, black pepper, and oil production. But in most recipes, it is also mixed with other good ingredients, such as ginger root, or ground ginger. Although optional, it can be sweetened with unrefined sugars such as honey and maple syrup. If you do a quick search, you'll see all kinds of other terms for golden milk. The main ingredients of golden milk. Turmeric powder. In this case, ground turmeric powder is really better than fresh root because it is more concentrated. Turmeric powder is traditionally utilized in golden milk turmeric. Fresh ground black pepper. This is key to absorbing the nutrients in turmeric. You only need a pinch. Milk. Homemade nut milk, full-fat coconut milk, or other plant-based milk. A little fat is needed to help you absorb all the nutrients in the golden milk. Since this is a healing drink, I like to make almond milk or use BPA-free canned full-fat coconut milk. If you're going to buy nut milk, look for something unsweetened that isn't overly processed. The fewer ingredients, the better. Avoid coconut milk that comes in a carton, as the BPA-free can contain the less processed product. Traditionally, fresh milk is used, but with the current practice of pasteurizing, homogenizing, and adding hormones and antibiotics to milk, I think it's best to avoid most of it. If you have all natural fresh milk that you trust, you can use that too. Heart-healthy fats. As I mentioned earlier, cow's milk is high in fat, but when using non-dairy milk, a little more healthy fat will help it absorb better. If you use nut milk, almond oil, coconut oil, or organic ghee, these will all work. If you use full-fat coconut milk, there is no need to add extra fat. Spices and flavorings. Add any of these products to your golden milk for extra flavor and health benefits. Ground cardamom. Ground cinnamon. Fresh or ground ginger. Pure vanilla extract, not a main ingredient, but some people like it. Raw honey, optional for a little extra sweetness. Cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon not only add great flavor but they're all packed with antioxidants and have several impressive healing properties. While I love vanilla, I personally didn't use it here. The cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon already add a lot of wonderful flavor to this treat without overpowering it. Methods to make. Method 1. Combine all the ingredients and let the turmeric boil on the stove. Method 2. Make a turmeric paste, and add milk and spices as desired. The most important aspect is to boil turmeric and mix it with some black pepper because black pepper will improve the absorption of curcumin. Use stainless steel pots or other non-reactive cookware to keep your golden milk pure. Avoid microwavable or non-stick cookware that contains synthetic fluoropolymers such as Teflon. Also, use clean or organic ingredients whenever possible, as this drink aims to provide anti-inflammatory benefits and detoxify the body. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Health benefits of golden milk. Number 5. Lowering the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the main cause of death worldwide. Scientists have studied this for decades and have learned a lot about why this happens. Not surprisingly, heart disease is complex, and there are several factors that contribute to it. Curcumin can help reverse many steps in the heart disease process. Maybe the biggest benefit of curcumin for heart disease is improving the function of endothelial cells, the lining of blood vessels. Endothelial dysfunction is a major cause of heart disease. This is when your endothelial cells cannot regulate blood pressure, blood clotting, and different other factors. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation is very important. It helps fight against foreign invaders and helps prevent damage to the body. While acute, short-term inflammation is beneficial, it can be worrisome when it becomes chronic and attacks your body's tissues. Researchers now believe that chronic low-level inflammation may play a role in certain health conditions and diseases. These include heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, various degenerative diseases. Number 3. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Before scientists had a better understanding of neurons, they were thought to be unable to divide and reproduce in early childhood. But now they know that's not the case. Neurons are able to form new connections, and in specific areas of the brain, they can multiply and enlarge. One of the main drivers of this process is the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. It is a gene involved in making proteins that are responsible for promoting life in neurons. BDNF protein has a role in memory and learning and is found in areas of the brain responsible for eating foods, drinking, and body weight. Many common brain diseases are associated with reduced BDNF protein levels, including depression and Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Arthritis. Gout is a common disease characterized by joint inflammation. Many studies have shown that curcumin can help treat gout symptoms, and in some cases, curcumin is more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs. Number 1. Benefits of depression. Depression is also associated with lower levels of BDNF and shrinkage of the hippocampus, a brain region important for learning and memory. Curcumin may help increase BDNF levels, possibly reversing some of these changes. There is also some evidence that curcumin increases levels of the brain neurotransmitter serotonin and dopamine. Calories in turmeric milk. The calorie content of golden turmeric milk depends on the ingredients used. But the recipe we've mentioned, made with unsweetened almond milk and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, has 146 calories. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.